Cotabato's success is often attributed to its remarkable ability to unite diverse cultures, but also to what many regard as the hallmark of effective leadership through the Tama at Maayos na Serbisyo brand of governance, one that emphasizes accessible healthcare, inclusive development, and people-centered public service. In a country increasingly divided by differences, what can the rest of the Philippines learn from South Cotabato, and why is that lesson important today?
As a future public servant and a youth volunteer in grassroots communities, a kid once told me, gaano ba dapat kataas mangarap? But here in South Cotabato, I believe that it transcends beyond our differences and challenges. We see our farmers that cultivate harvest, our labor force that strengthens our industrialization, and our weavers that contributes to our cultural identity. With this lesson, we would be able to continue to empower that the land of the dream weavers in South Cotabato is indeed true, because ang gandang mangarap here in South Cotabato, and it can be applied in the rest of the Philippines where the world can learn from. Thank you.